first signature sneaker, the Nike A1, continues to build momentum with bold new styles, expanding its appeal beyond the court. Since launching in early May, the low-cut silhouette has quickly become a fan favorite within Nike Basketball's lineup, known for its performance-ready design and eye-catching colorways. The latest version ditches previous tonal looks for a dynamic, multicolor makeover. Officially styled in fierce purple, hyper-violet, hyper-magenta, and metallic gold, this edition features vibrant pink tones across the upper and midsole, delivering both breathability and bounce. Metallic gold swooshes add a shimmering contrast, while rich purple hues adorn the tongue, heel, and rear, creating a bold, cosmic-inspired aesthetic. The design appears to reflect Wilson's extraordinary on-court talent, bold, powerful, and otherworldly. Set to release on July 31 for $115.